DIY. Uling, ano to? Uling nakalan. O, di uling, yan. Gawa lang namin yan. DIY, guys. Tipid tips. Mahal ang gasol. Ah, sarap, oh. Pitong galunggong.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy
Hello, guys. Yay!